Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. 6 drawers measure 22-1/2, WX 14-7/8, DX 1-3/4, H. 3 drawers measure 22-1/2, WX 14-7/8, DX 2-3/4, H. 1 drawer measures 22-1/2, WX 14-7/8, DX 5-7/8, H. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. The Craftsman 3-drawer portable tool chest is exactly what you need to store your most used hand tools. The durable steel chest that can easily be transported to your job site. Tools stay organized and easy to find in 3 shallow drawers and a deeper storage area under the lid. Heavy-duty steel construction is built to last. Drawers help organize hand tools by storing them in one neat layer. 25 pounds. Full extension steel drawer slides allow access to the entire drawer. Extra storage under the lid holds larger hand tools. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 20-gauge steel cabinet body for added strength and durability. GSX series trigger lock system and aluminum drawer pulls combine to make drawers open and close easier and more naturally. Auto return sliding drawers with 100 pounds capacity ball bearing slides. Tubular lock and key for added security of chest contents. Textured coated paint finish provides increased resistance to corrosion, weather and staining. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Ideal solution to organize and store tools and equipment for your garage or workshop. Lockable to keep your tools protected. Constructed of high-quality cold-rolled steel and the surface is painted to prevent corrosion. Measures 20.3 L by 11 inches WX 40.4 inches H and the tool chest can detach for a portable toolbox. Top tool chest features 4 pull-out drawers fitted with slide rails, allowing for smooth operation. Bottom storage cabinet features 1 pull-out drawer and an adjustable shelf. Equipped with 2 swivel casters and 2 directional wheels, allowing it to be moved with ease using the built-in handle. Includes a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. See more product details.